Hi everybody, it's me again, Doug Briggleman. Sorry things have been a bit quiet on my channel. Not been much to talk about really, that I haven't already talked about before. But today I'm going to show you a little construction update of the Alpine roller coaster. So it's, as you can see, a lot of the track and everything is coming together nicely. And if I come a little bit closer, you'll see that the lift hill motor and the little shelter that's protecting it from the elements. I think this is the cable the pull-up cable that'll take the cars up the lift hill. Other bits of the track, a couple of bits of track that have already been bent. I think these pegs are to put it right into the ground. Don't know what this thing's for. I'm not sure what that's for. Zoom in, those are the wheels that'll be for the pulley lift system. There's presumably for the power supply. And here's the lift hill system, and there's the big motorized lift hill mechanism. Quite different from most roller coasters, as it's not a chain, it's a cable. I honestly have no idea where the anti-rollbacks are. I'm guessing they're a little bit different from your typical roller coaster. And I don't think these are actually cemented into the ground. When I went to the public consultation for this, the guy mentioned that to be more environmentally friendly, they're basically just pinned down right into the ground, which would explain what these things are. Unless I'm missing something obvious, unless I could be wrong, but that's what I remember the guy at the public consultation talking about. And that's pretty much the update. So if it's on schedule, it's supposed to open in June, and it's now the last little bit of April, so about a month and a quarter, I think, and it all being well, it should open on time. So I'll do a mini vlog when it's open. See you later, guys.